guys, Mike with A&M here. Today we're looking at another estimate, so I'm going to show you guys this entire property and everything that they want to go. So first off, they want this whole mobile home actually demolished. If you guys have seen some of the other videos, we are now doing mobile home demolitions, but it's completely probably not safe to walk on. But there's the couch, and I'm sure the wasp and everything have had their way. I'm gonna try to walk across this. Nope. Yeah, they locked the inside. I don't want to go in there anyways. We're probably just gonna get an excavator out here and just demo this whole house. This is Brandon's first day, so he's shocked. We got a couple dog houses over here. We're gonna remove that. So basically they want all the trash in the yard. So here's some little bottles and stuff. We pick that up, but there's another picture of the mobile home. All right guys, we were gonna go up there, but I'm actually gonna go over here first. There's some stuff behind the house as well. Number one thing you wanna do too is make sure the electricity is turned off. So we have a power company come out. But yeah, here's a little shack here. Some more trash right outside over here. So yeah, just a bunch more trash in there, and they'd probably have us tear this whole thing down. I think he's gonna just sell the land. There's all this extra siding and piping here. I'll see if I can look through the window. So I can't actually see, but there might be stuff in there. Now I'm gonna go walk to the top of the property and look at everything over there. So I'm gonna give him a price to get all this trash on the outside as well. But since I have a company that does the teardowns, it might be easier just to have them take this stuff as well. But I don't know if the owner just wants to clear everything so they can sell the property. He said he lives in Pennsylvania, but he's coming down. So it's a pretty big lot actually. You can kind of see the entire lot. There's my truck way out there. And we were way over there where Brandon is. But I think all this stuff goes too. There's stuff all in the yard. Looks like maybe there was something living in here at one time. Just some miscellaneous trash all around. Wow. Check this out, guys. There's a rock wall in here. That must be the retaining wall. But yeah, this was someone's shop or something. I don't know. Clean up all of this. Tear down this whole thing. It's on a concrete slab too. Pretty nice one. Here's some more tool chest and crap over here. This whole shed will have to be cleaned out, tore down, all of the above. But yeah, more stuff in the yard there. There's some tarps and stuff. You can hear the crunchiness of the leaves because nothing's been cleaned up in a while. So here's a fence here. Not sure if this goes around the corner or... Oh my goodness. Looks like there was a whole property up there as well. So maybe this little barn looking shack goes too. Here's the concrete little house. So I think he said that might not be his. So I'm gonna give him a call and make sure, because he said the building I think is where his property ends, which would be right here. So I don't know what all that is up there. That's just a whole nother story. Looks like there maybe was a house up there. Let me give this guy a call, make sure this is all we're talking, then I'll call him, give him a price, and we'll see if he wants to go for it. All right, guys, I just talked to the property owner, and that building that was back there with the concrete, that is where his property ends. So all that stuff way up the hill was not part of his property. He said he owns like an acre, and that's somebody else owns that other acre. But basically, I just gotta run the numbers, give them a price. Let me know in the comments what you guys think you would charge to do a job like this, and how much would you charge to tear down this mobile home. If we get the job, I'll go over what I charged, and you guys can compare what you came up with and how much we charged. But I'm gonna just send the guy some more pictures, and then we're gonna get out of here. So as always, if you like videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and we'll see you guys next time.